Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's part 3 of playing Toca Kitchen 2. So let's get started. Let's feed the girl first. Let's see what we want to feed her. So let's get started. Alright, let's make her like something good. We're gonna give her 2 tentacles. Don't worry, we'll cook them. And then we need a fish. We need a hot dog and steak. Go on the plates, these go. There we go, let's get started. So first we're not going to the deep fryer. We're gonna go to the frying pan. So let's fry this up in a frying pan. Okay, fry. So let's just fry this up in a frying pan. A little salt and a little bit of lemon juice to make it extremely sour. There we go, it's ready. Don't need it yet, we still need it. Go, let's put it on this plate right here. Now we need to do some boiling. So let's put the fish in the pot. Look, he's swimming. Look, we have a pet fish. Alright, it looks like it's done being boiled, so let's take it out. Alright, it's out of the boiling pot. And now on the plate it goes. So no. Let's fry the steak. And now let's just fry this up in a frying pan. Oh, look at how delicious it looks. This makes me super duper hungry. Alright, I guess it's ready. Look at how delicious it looks, but I'm not going to season it because she may not like it. So let's cut up the tentacles. Now let's cut up the second one. Alright, we've got all our pieces of tentacle. Oh, she doesn't like it. Alright, let's put them in the oven. Alright, let's put them all in the oven. Let's put the pieces of tentacle in there first. Wait, we need a little bit of soy sauce. Now let's put in the steak, the hot dog, and the fish. Alright, we'll shut it. Alright. Ready. Ooh, all that food. Wait, it's hot. Wait, we're gonna stuff on it. Put some soy sauce, put on some lemon juice, some salt, some ketchup, and a little bit of this. There we go. It's time for her to eat. What she's eating. Nom 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 nom. Oh, she's eating it. Oh, she's almost tired of eating. Wait, you forgot the last piece. Let's see how she likes it. What? She didn't like my food? How about we make her something nice other than the food we gave her? So let's make her some fruit salad. We're going to use 5 fruits, so we're going to put in a strawberry. Now let's put a peach. So let's put these 3 fruits on these plates before we grab any more fruits. Now let's grab the orange and the peach. Careful, don't feed any of them to her because... No, I already have a peach. I don't need it. Just feed it to her. Alright, we need a pear. I accidentally grabbed out a second peach. So I fed it to her because we didn't need it. Now let's cut up the fruits we want to cut up. Careful because some may fall off. So let's cut up the pear first. This is going to be super juicy and yummy. It's going to taste so good for her. Alright, we've got our pieces of pear. Now let's cut up the peach. Because of course we need it to taste good. Is there a pit in it? Oh yes, there is. Just cut it in carefully because some things may fall off if we put too many. Alright, a little bit. Now the last thing we need to cut up is the pineapple. Wait, before we do that, we'll place the strawberry on her plate. There we go. Let's put it on. Here's the there we go. Now we need to cut up the pineapple. Make sure nothing falls up once the place is... There we go. There we go. Time for your fruit salad. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, she likes the pineapple a lot. Let's give her some more. Eat some more. Eat some more. You like it a lot. eat the last piece. Now let's give her the strawberry. We don't need to cut it because strawberries are small and we put it in her fruit salad. So let's just give it to her. Alright, she really likes the strawberry. Let's see how she likes the orange pieces. Alright, she was okay with the orange. Let's give her some more. Alright, let's give her the rest of the orange pieces. These are pieces of orange. Here's the last piece. Enjoy! Now let's give her the pieces of peach. Oh, she likes it. Alright, let's give her some more. It looks like she's enjoying her fruit salad. Now let's give her the pieces of pear. Eat this piece. Alright. Just eat some more piece. Eat the last piece and then you're done with your fruit salad. Now let's make her a regular salad. So we need tomato, of course lettuce, no. We need some broccoli too. No, we don't need a potato. So we've got all the ingredients for our salad. So first let's cut the tomato. Alright. Now let's cut the broccoli for our salad. Let's put in the broccoli. Now let's cut up the lettuce. Alright, that's going to be perfect for our salad. Now here's your salad. Wait, we need some dressing. That will go perfect with it. Wait. Enjoy your salad. Now eat the broccoli. Wait, our salad needs more dressing. Wait, okay. Now eat the tomato. Alright, she had no issue with that piece. That had a little bit of that. Oh, she really liked that piece. Alright. Well, she really likes the tomato probably. Let's see if she'll have a reaction. Alright, last piece of tomato. It looks like she's finished her salad. How about I take a tomato and then I feed her a tomato and then make her some pasta? Just eat the tomato. Oh, she really likes tomatoes. Good, okay, good. So how about now just eat the spaghetti, just eat it. And let's see. I don't think she likes spaghetti when it's not cooked. Alright, let's grab a tomato for the tomato sauce. And now let's grab the spaghetti. So how do I make tomato sauce? How about I just throw this in the boiling pot? I don't know how to make tomato sauce like marinara. Maybe if I throw a little ketchup in there, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Go, now I officially have a boiled tomato. What should I do with the spaghetti? You know what? Let's boil the spaghetti because you need to boil spaghetti in order for it to be cooked. So now let's boil it up. There we go. Our spaghetti is ready. How about I make tomato sauce? So how about I take my tomato and then I blend it. Okay, we're on to something that's really good. All right, blend it up. Let's add a little bit of water. No, let's pretend we didn't feed that to her. First, we give her the spaghetti. She eats it up. Then she washes it down with some tomato sauce. Mmm, so good. Yummy tomato sauce. She enjoyed the tomato sauce a lot. So now let's give her something nice. So let's cut a mushroom and then we'll do something with it. And now let's deep fry these pieces. Alright, let's deep fry them. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. Go, they're ready. These are going to be so crunchy. Eat it. Oh, she likes it. Wait, let's make her a sandwich after we give her all these pieces. Let's make her a sandwich. So, of course, we need some bread. Now let's put in 4 ingredients. Artichoke, broccoli, tentacle, and fish. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. A real seafood sandwich here. So now we've got all of our ingredients on the plate. So now we need to do some frying first. So let's fry the tentacle and the fish. Oh, we can fry both of them? Alright, that's good. So let's just fry these 2 up in a frying pan. Oh, these are going to be for her sandwich. Don't throw anything else in the frying pan. There we go. We've got them ready. Let's not cook them because we just cooked them. So now they're on these plates. And now I'll put the artichoke in the oven. There we go. Let's shut it. Alright, it's ready. Alright, here's the artichoke. We've put it in the oven. Alright, now it goes on this plate right here. And now let's just boil the broccoli. There we go. In the pot it goes. There we go. Let's just boil this up in a boiling pot. Oh, she's going to love this. Alright, it's ready. Alright, the broccoli will go on this plate. How about we toast our bread in the oven? That way she'll like it more. Alright, we've got our toasted bread because we've just put it in the oven. So now let's put it on this plate right here. There we go. Now we need to do some chopping. So let's just go to the chopping board. And now we need to cut the bread. Perfect sandwich slices. Be careful when cutting this, when you're making a sandwich. Right, perfect slice. Don't ruin it. There we go. No, I'm not cutting this yet. Make sure this... Right, perfect sandwich slice. No. So now let's cut the broccoli. Perfect. Now let's cut the artichoke. Alright. Alright, now on the plate it goes. Now let's cut the tentacle. Now the fish. Oh, wait. Now just eat these pieces of bread. We don't need it. Time for your sandwich. No. Alright, first piece of bread. Now let's put in 2 pieces of broccoli. No, we don't need that yet. Now let's put in some pieces of artichoke, some tentacle, and some fish. Now, top of the sandwich. Wait, we need some seasoning here. We need little, no. We need some ketchup. And this. Now, top of the sandwich. Alright, it's time to eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Eat the sandwich, eat the sandwich, eat the sandwich. Eat the sandwich, eat the sandwich. What do you think? You forgot the last piece of bread. Let's see what she thinks of the sandwich. Oh, she liked the sandwich. let's make her a strawberry smoothie. So let's use 3 strawberries for the smoothie. All right, let's blend them up, and then we're gonna feed the boy, and then that will be it for this video. All right, blend it up. Wait, we need to add some water. All right, that's enough. All right, let's feed it to her. Oh, she likes it. Now let's give her all this food because we don't need it. All right, let's feed it to her. Oh, she burped. Now let's feed the boy. All right, it's time to feed the boy because we're done feeding the girl. All right, so we've changed customers. So now, how about we feed him a strawberry because strawberries are good. Let's see how he likes it. What? Yes. This guy's weird. All right, how about we cut it into 4 separate pieces? And there we go. And now these strawberry bits will get caught someone. So now, okay, fire. No. I guess we need more hot sauce. I want these strawberries to no longer be original. How much hot sauce is in this bottle? I want to use these. You can tell me. Alright, eat up, man. Blow fire. Yay! We did it! You know what it's missing? We need to make him faint with this piece. Of course. Now it needs some salt for seasoning. And now some lemon juice and no one gets scared. And now hot sauce. Oh my gosh. And now it needs some ketchup. And now last ingredient. Wait, I think it needs more salt. There we go. Let's see if he will faint. Oh my gosh, we made it faint. Alright, let's add some ketchup to it. Soy sauce. I know it's but delicious. Oh my gosh, I turned the strawberry yellow. Eat it. Alright, he doesn't like it. How about we make him something nice? Let's give him a raw fish. Does he like it? What? He likes it. Why isn't he going to eat it? How about we cook it? So let's cut it up before we cook it. We could feed him the head. How about we fry these? So let's go to the frying pan and fry these. There we go. Now these are going to get fried up in the frying pan, including the head and the fin. I mean the tail. So now let's just fry these up. Here we go. Oh, look at how delicious these look. Let's see how he likes it. All right. Here you go, man. Oh, he likes it a lot. Eat the head. Oh my god, I fed it to him. Alright, let's give him the last piece. Let's make him a meal. So we need some spaghetti, some rice, some fish, some chicken, and one more ingredient. Some broccoli. Alright, he doesn't like broccoli. Well, too bad, too sad. So let's boil the spaghetti and the rice because they will taste delicious when they're boiled. Alright, they're in the boiling pot. Let's see. Oh, let's boil the chicken. Wait, before we boil it, we're going to cut it up. So now these are out of the pot. They're just cooked. And now we need to do some chopping here. So we need to cut no, we're not cutting that. Let's cut the fish. Oh, I need the head. Now we're going to cut it into some more pieces. There I go. And now let's cut the chicken, of course. There we go. Now it will go on this plate right here. And now the broccoli. Let's put it back on this plate. No. We need it. Now let's do some more boiling. So we need to boil the chicken. There we go. Oh, let's boil the broccoli too. Here we go. Now let's fry the fish. I was meant to fry the fish. No, I'm not frying that. But we'll see how he'll like it. No, it's popping it out. We need the head in there too. These fish pieces, of course, will be fried. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Alright, move it a lot. I don't know why I'm laughing, but we're going to add some more. No, it should go on the plate, not on the table. Now let's give him the chicken. There we go. Hopefully we'll end the video soon. Now the rice and the spaghetti. Alright, let's see what he'll think of his meal. First, we're going to give him the spaghetti. First of all, eat it. Now let's see what he thinks of the rice. He liked the spaghetti. Now let's feed him the rice. He liked it. Now let's feed him the chicken. He likes it a lot. Have this piece. Wait, it needs a little hot sauce. No, not too much hot sauce, just a little bit. There we go. Now let's see how he likes it with a little bit of hot sauce. Just a little bit of hot sauce, not too much. This piece needs a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt for flavor. How about we do one more thing for this boy? Alright, let's see what he thinks of the broccoli. Oh, he doesn't like it? Okay, let's make him breathe fire with a piece. Eat it. Oh, he doesn't like it. So let's give him the rest. So let's give him everything. Alright, let's give him everything. I don't know why I'm laughing, but... Alright, he burped. Alright, let's make him a pineapple smoothie, and then that will be it for this video. So let's just blend this up. Now add some water in this. There we go. Alright, let's feed it to him. He likes it! Well, guys, that is it for this video. And if you like the video, give it a like. And if you don't like the video, give it a dislike. And write in the comments why didn't you enjoy the video. So, bye everyone, and see you in the